and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my straight brother right here, and his name is Josh. You can say hi.
Hi everybody, how you doing?
As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be glamming him up. That should be interesting.
How do you fix perfection? I look pretty good.
So if you guys want to see me turn him from this to that, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna be off camera doing his makeup because obviously we both can't fit in the frame. He has some pretty dry skin, so we're just gonna go ahead and give him some glow. So I'm just gonna pop this on his cheeks. Can you turn a little bit towards me? Just a little.
It smells like tanning lotion.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get real glowy. Oh, if it gets
like Twilight level glowy?
Yeah, like they're gonna like think you're Edward, I almost said Edward Scissorhands, but they probably think you are more Edward Scissorhands than Edward Cullen, if I'm being honest. So then, because this is a glam moment, we are gonna use the CoverGirl True Black Matte Made Foundation. This color is probably not gonna match him the best, but you know what? For the sake of the video, we're gonna make it work. Oh, this is like so light. Oh my god, I did not think you were this tan. Shit.
Well, that's okay.
Oh well, I'm gonna make this work. God, you have such red skin.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing, it's just like, God, this foundation is so light. And this might, actually it's matching a little bit better when it oxidizes. Perfect. I've actually done makeup on people before. I know this probably doesn't look like it. I just picked a bad foundation shade, guys, so just roll with it. Alright, yeah. Concealer.
Okay, first, can we brighten me up a little bit?
I am. Relax. Okay.
Alright.
So we're using the concealer by Milk. This is the Flex concealer.
This does not feel right.
What do you mean?
I'm not used to having anything go in there.
Underneath your eye?
No.
Where?
Right, that's what I'm saying. No,
I said underneath.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh. Well, guess what? You're gonna have a lash on too, so like...
What?
Once we set you with powder, you're gonna darken a little.
Yeah. They're darkening me a lot.
Talk a little bit about yourself. Kind of introduce yourself to them as I'm like doing your makeup.
Alright.
But like you don't need to open your eyes and don't squint your eyes so hard. Oh my god.
What do you want me to do? I got something around my eye. It's not exactly gonna feel that great.
Okay, well you gotta like look up for me.
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach special ed, kindergarten through 2nd grade. I love Star Wars and movies.
Oh my god, this sounds like an eHarmony dating profile.
I know.
I'll turn it into one if you want. Maybe
no,
just like
I'm good. I was like four-wheeling and, you know, guy stuff.
I like how you had to like really make sure you're like, alright, so I have to like work really hard to make them know that I'm the straight brother.
Yeah, I know.
Like all my friends are like, oh, is that like your gay brother? And I'm like, nope, he's straight. I think it's just because he's so nice. Like, would you guys like look at him and be nice in the comments? Would you guys think that he was like, look up, my gay brother if you like saw us in public, not with him looking like this, obviously with him just looking hella normal?
I like to travel.
What's your favorite place to travel?
Oh, I love Disney World, but I really want to go to Japan.
Okay, what's in Japan? Like, what do you want to go there for?
I like to see all the
I'd
like to see all the historical sites, and the culture there is always, and their culture toward video games, and how here we see more of it like on the Xbox.
Oh.
I do all the family trip planning. I figure.
Yeah, he's a family trip planner. We'll have been somewhere 1,000 times, and like Disney World, and he'll like still get a map and like plan our whole day. He'll be like, okay, so we're gonna be in this area, so we should like do this. He has fun doing it, so we just kind of let him go. Okay, this is kind of looking better now though. It should just be titled like me turning my brother into a drag queen. Like that's pretty much what's happening right now.
I better not get into RuPaul.
I don't even watch that.
It's interesting. Like there are some nights where I'll be sitting there and I'll watch it, and there's some moments.
You watch it? Okay. I try to tell everyone you're my straight brother. You just told them we watch RuPaul. Listen, I advocated for you as the straight brother, and you just literally took all of that away from me.
Why?
People are going to be convinced. So we're just baking him a little bit, so we are really turning him into a drag queen.
Yes, queen, yes.
I have a question, guys. Would you guys want to see him doing my makeup on camera? I feel like that would be entertaining, but I'm not sure if that's something that you guys would want to see, because he's really, like, not skilled in many things. What is your favorite memory of us? I want you to, like, really think about it, and I want you to, like, find what your favorite thing for us to do as children was.
Oh, I had to laugh when I played lifeguards and mermaids. You were always the mermaid. I always was the lifeguard. But the problem
Why
was,
would there need to be a lifeguard with a mermaid?
don't ask me. You were always needing rescuing. Help me, help me. And all I wanted to do was just sit there and swim, and in the end, I just had to keep carrying you.
We got closer as we got older, though. We were never close as children.
No, I don't have to lie.
We
I was not a
literally
big fan of you
fought
as a kid.
all the time. And I was always the one to, like...
The rebel.
Yeah, the rebel who, like, got in trouble and, like...
The rebel without a cause.
Grandfather would tell me all the time that, like, oh, me and him would never be close and we would never, like, talk if I kept acting the way that I was when I was, like, being a diva. Look at how many years later and we're on camera on my YouTube channel and I'm doing his makeup.
Deep down, everybody's wondering what bet did he lose?
Oh, yeah, there was no bet. He just, like, loves me enough and I, like, wanted to do this video.
Mm-hmm.
So, I, like, thought it would be fun to turn him, like, super glam.
Trying to
Open
look
your
at
eyes.
themselves.
You know you have hazel eyes? I never, like, you have green in your eyes.
I do.
Well, I have literally been your sibling for our whole entire lives, and I have never noticed that. You have green eyes.
Well, nobody in our family does, so I'll have to wonder if I'm Tony's kid.
Oh my god. The shade. I feel like that's, like, scandalous, and I can't be involved in a scandal.
But it doesn't scandals make people famous? Look at Kim Kardashian.
Yep, we're in a scandal! But you look like Dad, so we could title this video, like, I found out my brother's not really my brother. I cannot wait for Mom and Dad's, like, reaction to this. They're gonna die.
Dad might literally die.
Dad might actually literally have a heart attack. So...
Oh, God.
He'll be like, oh, God,
I
another
always-
one. But you do have really hooded eyes.
What does that mean? Big eyelids?
No, like, you have no eyelid space. I'm just excited about putting lashes on you. Like, that's gonna be, like, my, like, moment of excitement. Okay, we gotta let this lash glue get tacky.
What does tacky mean? I mean, I
Do you know what like when you touch something and it's, like, kind of almost sticky, but not really?
Oh, I thought you meant tacky as in, like, out of fashion.
Like, leave it here until the lashes get tacky, like, until someone's like, those are tacky in 10 years from now.
I don't feel good. My eyes are going into chlorinated water.
Really?
Oh, not that it burns. I don't like it.
I know I was gonna say, it doesn't burn, I hope. If it does, you're maybe having an allergic reaction.
Wouldn't that be a fun way to end the show?
Your
I
head,
come
like,
from the look from this to this, and it's a picture of me in a hospital gurney on my way there because my face is swollen.
swollen, your eyes are, like, literally swollen shut.
Yep.
Like, that's hysterical.
So it's hysterical because you're not the one in the hospital gurney with them plugging me up.
What are they plugging you up with?
Benadryl. Look at me passed out. Lucky if I'm
yeah.
breathing.
The only thing that's left we have to do is just highlighting your skin and your lips. And this is where you're gonna get real shiny.
I'm already shiny.
No, you're not. I wish I had your nose, though. That's the one thing you got out of this. Like, you got a good nose. Not really. I mean, your bottom part of your nose I don't like, but, like, the size of your nose is great. Mine, I got, like, the not-so-lucky dad nose, and I hate it. So I'm gonna get my nose done. This is going on your lips.
Where is it going on my lips?
Because you need to put it... Okay, don't do that. Nobody does that. Just, like, relax your lips. Perfect. And you could use some, like, lip filler.
The lip filler.
Look what I have in my lips. Okay, do this. Okay, that... I mean, literally, that is, like, move your lips, like... And then what we're going to do is we're going to set your face with this. So you're going to close your eyes. Don't squeeze your eyes, though.
It smells like cucumbers.
It's good, though, right?
It smells like cucumbers. God.
You look good, though. Your eyes look good, don't they? Your eyes look so good.
Oh, yeah. I look beautiful.
I know. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun glamming my brother.
Glad you did.
If you guys want to see, if you guys want to see, because I put him through this torture, if you guys want to see him do my makeup, we can kind of do that just to get him back on my channel. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and click the bell for notifications so you guys don't miss when I upload. That is all for this video. I love you guys so much. Have anything to say?
Hope you all look as beautiful as I do.
So I'll see you guys all in my next one. So good.